Stay on top of your chores, tasks, and to-dos around your property with your Bobcat utility vehicle. Hello, I'm Holt with Bobcat. Let's check out our farm-ready collection of accessories to help you stay productive from sun up to sundown. The lightweight sport roof gives overhead protection from the sun and elements to help you stay comfortable while you operate your vehicle. This strong and durable tip-out glass windshield provides protection in a variety of conditions, whether closed, tilted, or fully open. It is easy to open and close with the grab handle and gas start assist. The windshield wiper and washer give you a clear view of your travel path during inclement weather. Poly doors include roll-down glass windows, an interior liner, and keyed locks. For extra comfort and protection, add a sliding glass rear panel. It's made of a durable tempered glass with a sliding latch window. Get a better view behind your vehicle with the wide-angle rearview mirror. The rugged mount helps minimize vibration when traveling around your property. The adjustable door-mounted side view mirrors provide increased visibility, and they fold in when needed for extra clearance. Quickly and easily install electrical accessories using the power bar. Cap-mounted accessories such as LED lights or the dome light can be powered with the addition of a roof power bar. Ideal for nighttime utility work, the fold-away 360-degree work light illuminates dark spaces all around your vehicle. This tough LED light bar is just what you need for bright visibility during the evening or while working in dark areas. Its 2 spotlights and 2 floodlights help increase lighting down the trail or on the job. The LED dome light is a removable, multifunction cab light that can also be used as a flashlight in and around your UTV. It can be changed from white, red, blue, and green for a variety of uses. With the roof rack, you have additional space for carrying tools and supplies. Multi-purpose tool holders allow you to carry long, narrow items like axes, shovels, rakes, postal diggers, and more. Rubber inserts protect your tools against vibration when riding. Keep your gear organized and out of the elements with the aluminum bed box. Securely bring everything you need wherever your work takes you. Listen to farm and weather reports or your favorite music with a Bluetooth-compatible audio system. Farms and ranches can be tough on vehicles. Protect your UTV from brush and branches with heavy-gauge front and rear brush guards. Durable powder-coated Nerf Bars offer additional protection for the sides of your UTV. Need to get across your acreage quickly? Increase the top travel speed of your gasoline-powered UTV from 35 miles per hour to 40, utilizing a speed kit available from your dealer. Add a front receiver hitch to use any standard 2-inch drawbar or multi-mount winch. This winch can also be mounted to the standard rear receiver hitch. It's rated to pull up to 4,500 pounds. With a farm-ready collection of Bobcat UTV accessories, you can stay on top of your chores while carrying all the tools you need. See your local Bobcat dealer for more information or visit bobcat.com.